kids sometimes don't know what they're passionate about, and this passion can be, fired up based on, seeing an expert in their field come in and present, and it's pretty neat to see. These kids, learning about something, and maybe this will change the course of their future. Maybe it will just be a hobby, but it's certainly neat to see these kids have a chance to develop a new passion, or at least to be exposed to it.
I'm going to make now, I'm rolling it out, and we call this making a coil.
Did anybody experience something? Did you think something was really nice, something happened that you wouldn't have thought of, or was something really hard? What did you experience? Yes.
I've had dramatic people in to present their expertise. I've had artists in. I have had inspirational messages on, a full day session on just inspiring kids to meet their full potential.
Understand the people and how things work. It changes everything for you.
So you do another one like this.
Guys, you can always go up. Oliver, Caleb, Nathan, come around this side, please.
I got to build a book and draw and use different things.
So I'm thinking maybe we could try some pancakes. Oh, I make the best pancakes in the world, yeah, wee!
Do you feel a little bit more open to moving in different ways? You kind of feel like you're happy inside your own body and you can let it do what it wants to do, or what the music tells you to do?
Yeah, and I feel more confident doing it in front of people.
It lets your energy flow through, and it's healthy because you're exercising, and it's better for your body than just sitting down all day. Maybe when I'm older, I'll maybe want to make my own stories.
One thing I love about it is a different voice. I like to think the kids don't mind my voice, but I know when we get these different speakers in, their level of interest, sometimes just naturally peaks, because we've got a new voice, and this person is clearly super passionate about what they do.
They like a lot of details, they research things. I know how they operate. They like quiet. So I'm not going to come, hey! Let's go, have a good time!
Things, there's walls, stuff to touch, ledges, lots of things. How do you fix the point?
A lifetime of passion was able to be shown to these kids, and it definitely inspired some of them. And the same can be said for all the workshops I've been in.